Right, next I'm going to put the bigger capacitor on. Now that shows you which one is negative, and even on the board it shows you which one, well, it shows you which one is negative, so that will be going in like that. Bend his legs over. Solder him up. Do another one. Where is he? There it is. Now, I'll go with the LDR next. Again, that doesn't matter which way around it goes, so just pop him in. I find that the easier bits to do will be the bits that you don't have to worry about which way around they go. I mean, the transistors, I mean, it's shown on there anyway which way around they go, so it's not exactly difficult to get them all correct. And 2. So that was simple. Now, it's the little crystal, which I think are very, very tiny. Now, what I suggest you do is you put it through and bend it so it sits up above where the holes are, like that, which is fair enough. Get it pretty much where they have the drawing, and then bend the legs. Now, yeah, it's a little bit wobbly, that. So what we'll actually do with that is I'll solder it one leg and then cut it off, and then cut the other one. There he is. Solder that. If you can see him, there he is. It's a little bit shorter than the picture, the diagram on the front, but it really doesn't matter, it just gives you an idea where it's supposed to be. So, now one of these is a diode and one of them is actually the thermistor. So it says the shape of the thermistor is similar to the diode, don't mix them up. The one without the characters and black circle is the thermistor. Now the one without the characters and black circle is that one, so that's the thermistor, so we'll leave that one alone. This one is the diode. Now we look at the picture, and I believe it goes down here. Now obviously that's actually got a little bar there, so it doesn't actually say, well it does say it matters which way round, but it doesn't actually say which way round. But looking at the picture, it's obvious it should go in that way. Now this board actually has extras that you can put on it, but they're actually, it just says there's just extra bits that you can put in that you don't actually have in this kit. Looking at it, it just looks like, I'm not sure what it's supposed to be, because it's already got supply, so it's something else. I don't know. I did read something about it, but I'm not sure. Let's get that one soldered, and that one soldered. Yeah, that's the diode, just a single diode. Now we can do the transistors next. And as I say, these you just go by the picture. It's pretty obvious that the flat side goes like that. Now, when I built the last one of these, I tried to get them all the same height off the board, but it never really worked, so we'll just do whatever with this one. But I'll get all those put in and soldered and then carry on. Well, I've done 2 of them. I thought I'd do the 3rd one, show what I actually do with the legs once I push them through. I push all of them through at once, obviously. Get them about the same height as the rest, might as well. And then I bend the outer 2 one way, and then the middle one the other way. So you've got 3 legs, and they're going 2 one way, 1 the other way. That keeps it very, very secure in there. And then you can actually cut all 3 off without it falling out, because it's quite strong. There we go. 2, 3. So that won't actually fall out because the leads are actually coming through the holes and bending straight away. And it keeps it quite strong in there like that. So that's 3. 3 to go. Right, that's the 6 transistors all soldered on and cut off on the bottom. Everything. So we'll do a little bit more, and then we'll probably finish the rest in the second part of the video. We'll put on the IC holders next. Now these obviously, again, just with the drawing on there, a little cut out that end. Now I found if you hold it like that, just get a little bit of solder ready, and you just get a bit on one of them, it will hold it in like that. So it's now held in there, it won't fall out, so then you can actually concentrate and actually get all the others done without any problems. Obviously it's now tilting quite high because those transistors are in there, so probably the next one I won't put the capacitor and the transistors in until after I've done this. I build it up rather than doing transistors and capacitor, because now it's sloped, it's now leaning towards me quite a bit, so I need to find a way where I can hold it down and solder all the way across these pins. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 7, a bit more than that one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, last one, 14, right, and do the same the other side. One here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And obviously 14, do a little bit more. It was actually in my hand when I did it, so that's that in. And the other one goes down in the middle of here. Again, probably should have put this on before we put transistors in, because it's a little bit harder to get it in, especially with its bent leg. That's where it flew across the room when I opened the packaging. Yeah, see, that would have been a lot easier than that. Like that was even difficult. Without those transistors in there. But yeah, I'm going to be building 2 more of these, so probably by the last one I'll do it the proper way. Okay, that got quite warm. Where are we? Really? There he is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that one again. And that is that. I think we'll leave it there. The last bit to do will be to put the battery holder, the buzzer, the power socket, 2 buttons, and obviously now this thermistor I found where it goes out of the casing, it didn't stick out very far on the other casing, so I might actually keep those legs as long as possible this time. On the last one I actually cut them down quite a bit, so I might leave them as long as possible so that it sticks out the top of the casing quite a bit, because obviously if it's actually right inside the case or just outside the case, it's actually going to be picking up any heat from the insides of the clock, but we'll see. So we'll carry on with another video.